What if I told you that with just a laptop, internet, and the right free zone license, you could launch your company today in Dubai without millions in the bank? Welcome to Meydan Free Zone. In this video, we're going to map out exactly how you can go from idea to business launch in Dubai, even if you don't have millions to invest. We'll cover low-cost business ideas, high potential niches, how things typically cost, plus legal setup via Meydan Free Zone. By the end, you'll know how you can do this with what you have. Let's begin. Low cost or small business ideas for modest budgets. Dubai is no longer just a destination for luxury brands. It's one of the fastest growing hubs for small, flexible businesses. Here are some business ideas you can start with relatively small capital. Many can be run from home or with minimal fixed costs. Virtual assistant services. Laptop, internet, license, administrative tools, and communication apps. Handmade crafts and gift boxes. Raw materials, packaging, possibly small storage, branding, e-commerce store, or marketplace presence. Online tutoring and courses. Expertise, camera or webcam content creation tools, platforms for hosting, Udemy, Coursera, etc., and marketing. Social media management. Graphic design tools, social media scheduling tools, portfolio, and some marketing. Event planning consultancy. Contacts with vendors, knowledge of logistics, good organisational and networking skills, maybe small operational tools. Now let's talk about sectors where Dubai's future is being built, and where small and ambitious companies can make their mark. If you have the skills, a small team, or a little extra capital, these are industries worth watching. 1. Green energy and ESG consulting is booming. Advising companies on environmental, social, governance matters, emissions, and sustainability compliance. Who's it for? SME manufacturers, logistics firms, construction companies, government entities. What's driving it? UAE Green Agenda 2030, mandatory ESG reporting, net zero by 2050 strategy. 2. Immersive tech labs. VR, AR, and XR is another wave transforming the market. Virtual reality, augmented reality solutions for training, tourism, design, real estate, etc. Who's it for? EdTech platforms, tourism firms, content agencies. What's driving it? UAE AI and Future Skills Strategy, Dubai Metaverse Strategy, National Education Tech Investments. 3. Digital health platforms are reshaping how we access care. Remote, health and wellness tools, telehealth apps, and analytics services. Who's it for? Clinics, hospitals, HR providers, fitness startups. What's driving it? UAE Digital Health Strategy 2025, insurance digitalization, growing health-conscious population. 4. Even behind the scenes, sustainable logistics and packaging is rewriting supply chains. Eco-packaging, green delivery, carbon tracking. Who's it for? E-consumers, sellers, cloud kitchens, fulfillment centres. What's driving it? UAE's circular economy policy, Dubai Sustainable Tourism Roadmap, regional ESG mandates. 5. Mobility is also getting a makeover. Mobile, electric vehicle and hybrid servicing, on-site battery servicing, etc. Who's it for? Fleet operators, smart city startups, vehicle service specialists. What's driving it? Dubai Integrated Energy Strategy, smart mobility demand, rising EV ownership. 6. Smart home automation services, voice-controlled devices, AI security, integrated tech in homes, etc. Who's it for? Real estate developers, interior design firms, facility management companies. What's driving it? Smart Dubai initiatives, new builds in high-end communities, energy efficiency goals. Finally, don't forget e-commerce, online grocery, fashion and apparel, consumer electronics and gadgets, digital products and e-learning, home and furniture, health and wellness, pet supplies, baby and kids products, beauty and skincare, and even meal subscription boxes. all remain strong, low-barrier niches for new entrepreneurs. These sectors combine high growth with low to moderate entry barriers. With Meydan Free Zone's flexible licensing, even small businesses can position themselves in the fastest moving parts of Dubai's economy. So how do you actually go from idea to a real business? Think of this as your playbook, a simple but powerful roadmap that takes you from inspiration to operation in Dubai. It begins with an ideation and market validation. Choose your niche and test demand. Look for gaps in the market, whether it's online, grocery, fashion, wellness, or something new. Use tools like Google Trends, study your competitors, and pick something you're genuinely passionate about. Starting with low inventory options, such as digital services or dropshipping, can help you reduce risk at this stage. Next, define your business model and budget. Decide whether you'll sell physical products, digital services, subscriptions, or consultancy, and estimate your costs from licensing and marketing tools to shipping. The key is to start lean and avoid over-investing before you're validated in your idea. Once you're clear on what you'll offer, choose your business activities and trade name. At Meydan Free Zone, you can select up to 3 activity groups under one license, giving you flexibility as you grow. Have a short list of names ready in case your first choice isn't available, and ensure your activities align with what you want to do. Then it's time to apply for your license. If you're setting up an e-commerce or digital business, Meydan Free Zone's Fowry license can issue your license in under 60 minutes, entirely online. Make sure your documentation is ready and you know which license fits your business best, whether it's service, tech, or a trading license. With your license in hand, you can set up your banking and operations, open a business bank account, arrange your payment gateways for e-commerce, find logistics for fulfillment partners, and get your tools and platforms ready. Meydan Free Zone provides support and partnerships to make this stage easier, including introductions to banks, logistics firms, and compliance resources. Once your operational backbone is in place, build your online presence and marketing. Create your website or e-store, list your products or services, set up your social media channels, and begin your promotional campaigns. Don't forget localization. Arabic and English content will broaden your reach. Use both paid and organic channels to tap into Dubai's events and communities to grow your audience quickly. Finally, launch. Go live. Measure your results and start engaging early with customers. Listen to their feedback, adjust your pricing, services, or product mix, and scale carefully. Keep your overheads low and reinvest your profits. Throughout this journey, Meydan Free Zone offers advisory support and growth tools to help you move from one stage to the next with confidence. Dubai has become a powerhouse for startups and SMEs. The UAE is innovation focused. SMEs make up a huge portion of companies and a large share of non-oil GDPs. Meydan Free Zones are the benefits. 1. 100% foreign ownership and no local partner required. 2. Fast digital licensing, especially via Fowry, where you can get a license in under 60 minutes, completely online, no paperwork. 3. Flexible license types. You can combine multiple business activity groups under one license. 4. Low overhead options. Virtual offices, co-working or shared resources, minimal setup. You don't need millions. What you need is clarity, courage, and the right support. Dubai, specifically Meydan Free Zone, offer you fast licensing, supportive infrastructure, and multiple business ideas you can launch at a low cost. Start small, validate, grow, and know that every big business started somewhere. Yours could start today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with someone who's got an idea waiting. And if you want help with licensing, localization, or figuring out which niche to choose, reach out to us at Meydan Free Zone. We're here to help you launch.